Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 13 ways to multiply and divide. And today's topic is word problems based on multiplying. Okay dear students, now let's start. Question number 8 of chapter 13. Okay, look at here carefully. In question number 8, Radhika drinks 15 glasses of water every day. How many glasses will she drink in a week? Okay, dear students, in question number 8 is given that Radhika drinks 15 glasses of water every day. Then we find that how many glasses will she drink in a week? Okay, dear students, we know that in 1 week have 7 days. Okay, it means that 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Dear students, look at here carefully. If we have to multiply 15 by 7, if we have to multiply 15 by 7, then we get the result of this question. It means that then we get the answer of this question. Okay, dear students. Now let's start the solution of question number 8. Solution. Here given that Radhika drinks water in 1 day. Every day means 1 day. Okay, dear students. Radhika drinks water in 1 day is equal to how many glasses? 15 glasses. Dear students, here given that every day, it means that Radhika drinks water in 1 day is equal to 15 glasses. Therefore, it means that then she will drink water in a week. It means that if we have to multiply 7 by 15, okay, it means that if we have to multiply 15 by 7, then we get the result of this question. Now let's start for multiplying. Then she will drink water in a week is equal to 15 glasses by 7 days. Okay, look at here carefully. 7 5 ja 35. Yes, 35 of 5 carry 3. Dear students, please keep in mind, after multiplying these we get carry 3. 7 1 ja 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, here we get 105 glasses. It means that Radhika will drink water in a week is 105 glasses. It means that Radhika drinks 105 glasses of water in a week. Understand? Okay, dear students. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number, and please write in math fair copy and book both. Okay, dear students. Now erase this. Okay. Now let's start question number 9. Rohan walks 6 kilometers per day. How many kilometers will he walk in the month of April? In the month of April. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In question number 9, Rohan walks 6 kilometers per day. It means that Rohan walks in one day is equal to 6 kilometers. Then we find that how many kilometers will he walk in the month of April. Okay, dear students, we know that month of April, it means that the total number of days in month of April is equal to 30. It means that number of days in month of April is equal to 30 days. How many days? 30 days. Okay, okay students, if we have to multiply by 6 in 30, then we get the result of this question. It means that then we get the answer of this question. Okay, now let's start the solution of question number 9. Look at here carefully. Rohan walks in one day is equal to 6 kilometer. Rohan walks in one day is equal to 6 kilometer. Then he will walk in the month of April is equal to, dear students, we know that the number of days in month of April is equal to 30 days. Okay, if we have to multiply 6 kilometer by 30 days, then we get the total number of kilometer. Okay, the total number of kilometer walking by, yes, Rohan. Look, 6 3 is 18. It means that 6 0 is 0 and 6 3 is 18. 180 kilometer. Okay, this is your answer. Okay, it means that he will walk in the month of April is 180 kilometer. Okay, distance. It means that 180 kilometers will he walk in the month of April. Okay, now erase this. Dear students, if you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number or contact me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay? Okay, dear students, now let's start question number 10. Question number 10 is Kritika can read 58 pages of a book in one day. How many pages can she read in 15 days? In 15 days. Okay, dear students, look at question number 10. Kritika can read 58 pages. 58 pages of a book in one day. Then we can find that how many pages can she read in 15 days. Okay, dear students, in this question, if we have to multiply 58 by 15, then we get the result of this question. It means that then we get the answer of this question. Understand? Now let's start the solution of question number 10. Okay, here given that Kritika can read pages of a book in 1 day is equal to how many? Yes, 58 pages. 58 pages. Then she can read pages of a book in 15 days is equal to, this one look at here carefully. If we have to multiply 58 by 15, then we get the result. Okay, 58 pages by 15 days. It means that into 15 days. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to arrange for multiplying of 58 by 15. 5 8 ja 40, 40 of 0, carry 4, 5 5 ja 25 plus 4 is 29, 1 8 ja 8 and 1 5 ja 5. After adding these, we get here 0, 9 plus 8 is 17 of 7, carry 1, 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 1 is 8. It means that 870 pages. Okay students, it means that Kritika can read pages of a book in 15 days is equal to 870 pages. Okay, okay students, now read this. Dear students, please write in math fair copy and okay dear students, please write in book and math fair copy both. Okay, now let's start question number 11. Question number 11 is, a gardener plants one 28, it means that 128 flowering plants in a row. How many plants will he plant in 45 such row? 45 such rows. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. In question number 10, here given that a gardener plants 128 flowering plants in a row. Then we find that how many plants will he plant in 45 such rows. Okay, dear students, look at here carefully. Dear students, if we have to multiply 128 by 45, then we get the result of this question. It means that then we get the answer of this question. Now let's start the solution. Of question number 11, look at here. A gardener plants flowering plants in a row. It means that in one row is equal to 128 plants. Okay, then he will plant in 45 such row is equal to distance. If we have to multiply 128 by 45, then we get the result. Okay, look at here carefully. 128 by 45. If we have to multiply 128 by 45, then we get 5 8 ja 40, 40 of 0, carry 4, 5 to the 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, of 4, carry 1, 5 1 ja 5, plus 1 is 6. Okay, 4 8 ja 32, 32 of 2, carry 3, 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 of 1, carry 1, 4 1 ja 4, plus 1 is 5. Adding these, we get here 0, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and here 5. It means that 5760. Here we can write 5760 plants. Okay, dear friends, this is your answer of this question. It means that a gardener plants flowering plants in 45 such rows is equal to 5760 plants. Okay, dear students? Dear students, please write in maths fair copy and book both. If you have any doubt, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number or contact me on my personal number. Okay, dear students, thank you.